So this is a video of how to use my artifact once you receive the link. So when you open the link, which should be included, it'll take you straight to Safari or whichever browser you use, and it should open as so. So then you click the topic menu and then you click here to send you to the video. And then you click the link to send you to the tutorial, and then YouTube should open and the video should work, hopefully, as you can see here. Now, the only issue that I had, as I stated in the justification statement thingy, I wasn't able to include more videos as it kind of didn't really cooperate with me, and I wasn't able to click the back arrow, as you can see, to send it back to the menu screen. Now, I tried to change it up and fix it in a way that could work, but it didn't do its job, and I couldn't figure out how to fix it. I scoured many forums and help pages and what have you to try and fix it, but no one seemed to have my problem, so it's just kind of the one video for now, I guess. I'm not entirely happy with it, but it's what I could do right now with the limited skills I have. I tried another method to fix it in a video that I saw online, but when I tried to do it exactly the same as the person had done it in the video, but with my screens and content and images and videos and whatever, it didn't work when I pressed run, and there were no errors and there was nothing to say that I did anything wrong. It just didn't work. So yeah, thank you.